Merry Christmas Eve, skiers and riders. It's Cassie here with your Tuesday, December 24th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. It's a jolly day on the mountain, with plenty of corduroy trails our team has prepared for you guys. So let's ski and ride in the good spirit. With sunny skies all around and temps in the mid-30s, this holiday week has kept us cheerful, along with our 20 open, packed powder trails, operated by 7 lifts.
Well, welcome to Mount Wachusett. We got another epic day going here. Nice snow, good sunshine. It's looking good.
Our terrain park is finally complete over on Hitchcock. We were able to build 1 rail, a few boxes, a wall ride, and 2 jumps. Don't forget to grab your park pass before you check it out. Due to the holiday week, the mountain will be closing at 4 p.m. today. And that's all for now, skiers and riders. Thanks for tuning in. Come by the mountain to relieve that holiday stress, and I will ski you on the slopes.